That's weird. Alrighty. We are back. Welcome back to the channel. We're actually live looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently up 2.89%. So a couple days ago, we actually identified this. I mean, it was a perfect cup and handle. I'm not even gonna lie. Normally, you don't want to see the lower low. However, it did paint hidden bullish divergence, so we should have seen this move coming. But anyways, that's on the 4 hour. We hit our measured move. Now we are breaking above resistance. This is actually very good, because if we get back into this trading range, well, now it looks like we have a different pattern, in which we're gonna mark that out now. So we had this thing play out already. We did not get our measured move to the downside out of this rising wedge pattern, or rising broadening wedge pattern. I'm going to keep this here for a moment, just so that we can understand where that level of support is. But you can see what we actually broke out of. We had this downtrending level of resistance. We were in technically a flag right here, and it looks like we have broken out of the flag. If we were to retrace and backtest this as support, I would be very excited to see that, because bull flags usually lead to good things. But we were in this little falling channel, so that we cannot deny. However, we do have a measured move out of the falling channel, which is also good. So we can go from the low to the high point of the channel, and we would be looking for Bitcoin to trade up here at $23,772 if this rally continues. Could we see it today? If the momentum keeps up, yeah, we could. But would I more likely want to see that by tomorrow, after we backtest this former line of support that became resistance as support again? That would make me extremely happy, because then we get a little longer lasting rally. That would make me happy. However, you can't see on the 4 hour. You still have some room to move up. So this move might not be over on the day. Let's go ahead and check out the 1 hour. 1 hour, we are a little bit in overbought territory, just bouncing off resistance. We are seeing a little bit of weakness based off this lower high, and that could lead toward that retracement I was talking about. However, if we do just flag out a little bit, then we could have a lot more upside. Could see a lot more upside. We're just gonna have to wait and see what the day gives us. Now, with Bitcoin looking bullish, and if it does start consolidating in this area, we would be looking for altcoins to start going up. Yo, Wesley, what is up? How are you? We would be looking to see some altcoins going up. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ethereum's doing pretty much the same thing, hitting resistance right now. You can see we completely underperformed the downside. We did not even test this level at 1,438. A lot of strength right now. A lot of strength. So, what do we have? We broke our downtrend of resistance as well. Awesome. Awesome. We had this downtrend of resistance. On a shorter time frame, looks like we have a little bull flag that we could find a measured move in the short term. Do we see this on the 1 hour? Yes, we do. Got it on the 1 hour. As soon as you see something like this on the 1 hour, this actually gives you a nice little price movement on Ethereum. So I'm looking for Ethereum to be trading up here at $1,639. Whether it keeps going after that, that kind of all depends on the traders, because an extended move, if you get this entirety of the move, you could be looking at 1,659. That could be happening. So Ethereum looks strong as well, alongside Bitcoin. Now let's go into the fun. Let's check out some of these altcoins. I want to check out OP to start, because OP actually has been doing very well. So we were in this rising channel to break out of this falling wedge. I believe I posted about this in the Discord. I don't remember, but we do have a measured move here based off this breakout. We never got the back test. Oh my goodness. Measured move is 35% upside, so we have broken above a level of resistance, which you were in this nice little bull flag. Your measured move from there is to get up to $2.71. So in the short term, I could see it getting up to that measured move. Longer term, I would expect for you to test resistance all the way up here. Would expect you to test resistance, and so make sure your stop loss would be below this wick, $2.47, just to be safe, just in case we do get a little push down. OP looking solid. OP looks really solid. I like it. Considering I trade on KuCoin, we actually got some new tokens, new AI tokens, I believe, that we can trade, and they've been going nuts. I mean, absolutely nuts. So we're going to take a little bit of time to check those out. We're going to start out with Magic, because Magic, I got destroyed in this call. Absolutely destroyed. Did not even backtest. So you can see how Bitcoin's helping out the entire market. We also are going to look at Singularity. Singularity it's due for a really big move, possibly today. So that's something we have to keep on the radar. But let's go ahead and clean this up. Let's get rid of this. We should continue to hold this. This is our level of support we just broke above and back tested. Very nice. On the 1 hour, we can see it. That's great. So Magic, I would expect us to get up to, let's bring up the 4 hours so I can see our real resistance levels. Jeez, I think I need some water. Anyways, so we have a small resistance there. Small resistance here. Nice little pocket for us to aim for. And if we do get above that, I mean, you're kind of off to the races. So these are the levels you should be looking for Magic. If we do break above all of those, well, we're in price discovery mode. We're just going to see where it leads. This is where we pull out our fib. And if we break all those levels, we would be looking to get Magic all the way up here at $3.15. Could be massive gains ahead for Magic. Could be massive gains. But it's all about the levels right now. So these levels are going to pose any sort of resistance. I would look first toward this 5% rise. And actually, yeah, this level's a little too scuffed. Doesn't make sense. Found support, resistance. This would be the level. Support, resistance, support, resistance. Yeah, that would be the level. So first target for Magic is to get up another 5%. Second target, 19% upside. As long as Bitcoin continues doing what it's doing. Now let's go ahead and look at this crazy monster. I was looking at this earlier this morning, and yeah, we broke out of some interesting little spots. I was looking at the daily though. Looking at the daily, you can see we are broken above. What I would like to see, if we don't hit this level up here, is to hold above these two levels, then backtest it as support. Mainly so that I can get rid of this one, this pesky little line. But that line coincides with back here, candle low close. So it's a nice little pocket of support that we did just break above. CFX. So CFX, I'm in a wait and see type situation, because also I would like to see if you backtest this former downtrend level. I would like to see if you backtest that as support, because you did double bottom and then you took off. Would like to see it. Always love seeing double bottoms on the daily. So you got one bottom, two bottoms, held strong, moon. All right, let's look at Singularity. Singularity looks like it's about to make a move right this moment, actually. So, wow, held support. That's great. So we do have this level of support, the supply line. Supply line's holding strong. Markets are moving up. We do have a bull flag here, in which once we get a confirmed breakout, we would be looking for 33% upside on Singularity. 33%. We can see this really well on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, you can see it. Oh, we're also breaking this downtrend. Sweet! I was trading on the 15-minute earlier. Don't mind me. But Currently getting that break to the upside, which we want to see. We are trying to fight against this downtrend. We have the supply line helping us out. We have the whole market going bullish. This is actually a really good situation. Really good situation for Singularity. So if Singularity does work out and we do break this downtrend level of resistance, then we have a much larger move that we got to talk about, but I would be looking for resistance up here at 6637. So this could happen in the near future. I'm not saying it will happen, I'm just saying it could. First, focus on this 33% rise. I would like to see a run, back test, and go, but we don't live in a perfect world. It would be pretty painful if we never got that back test. Would be pretty painful. FET's on the move. FET is on the move. This is actually a big deal because you were in a bull flag and then you were in a smaller bull flag and now you are breaking everything. So FET, it's kind of good for a trade right this moment. Your measured move is huge. It's huge. Huge move. So you can see from where you're sitting right this moment, you're looking at 67% possible gains if this rally continues. Fetch AI, one of those AI plays that we can now leverage trade on KuCoin, which I think I'm going to jump in on this trade because I love it. I love it. My ocean trade's going pretty well too. Like to see that. I just think FET is about to move way faster. So we are going to make the switch. Yes, I am live trading right now. Live trading as I stare at these charts. We come down to the 15 minute to see where that stop loss should be. We're currently breaking out. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Wowzers. This is a strong move coming out of FET. Strong move. Alrighty, profit taking level. We're going to go nice and high. Nice and high. 6899 is where I want to take my profit because that is a level of resistance. And if we do find some resistance right there, I don't want to be on the wrong side of it. 6899. There we go. We are in our trade. Noted we could get a little bit of a pullback. It's possible just because of this bull flag here. We could see it come down and then go up. So you want that stop loss right below these wicks. Right below. However, I want to know if we're getting that back test. It'll be right here. Yeah, let's see if we're going to get that back test. Put it right there. So odds of getting a backtest on this smaller flag, very limited just because it is a much smaller flag, much smaller time frame, and we are technically already backtested of the much larger pattern. So don't expect the backtest. I'd like to see if we get it though. You can also see you are above your 200 1 hour simple moving average, your 4 hour, you are above the 50 simple moving average as well. That was a great back test. Off to the races, baby. Off to the races. Now noted, if this market continues to be ultra hot, I might move my profit taking up to the full measured move, but we will see what the day gives us. But yeah, FET. Anyways, I don't feel like looking at the Telegram coin. Let's look at GMX. GMX, I was trading on the 15 minute yesterday, and was kind of nice. But GMX. So I have two measured moves here, which we're about to hit the first one. About to hit the first one. So this one is from this right here. We came out, we back tested, and we went. If you noticed, after that back test, there's no other back tests required, so it just took off, which is always nice to see. Now, your second move is the length of all of this right here. So second move I would be looking for, if you do break above this and it continues in a very bullish manner, you would be looking for $96.20. Very nice to see. Going out to the daily, you can see we're also in price discovery mode, so I'm more inclined to believe we will hit this $96. But let's pull out the fib, get a better idea. Could come up to $111. Not bad. Oh, FET. We might actually get that back test? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. We might actually get it? It's coming down. We might get it. Low-key, I kind of doubt it, but we'll see. Market's just running a little hot. I don't think it will. If we fall below this level right here at 4533, then I would believe we'd get that back test. But we'd have to fall all the way down there. Gotta go all the way down there. Singularity looks good. Magic looks good. This one looks amazing. Holy moly. Great bull flag. I didn't even realize this thing would look that good. Oh my gosh. Amazing bull flag on the 15-minute. So the reason why I trade on the 15-minute sometimes is because I like it when they clear within the day, when I'm day trading. 15-minute time frames normally clear within the day. So this nice 8.8% move, you would expect you broke out. You want to see that back test as support, and then you can end up getting the length of that move. If you got it now, 7.5%, not bad, but not amazing. Anyways, coming out to the 4 hour, you're breaking back into this giant rising broadening wedge. So you would expect prices, if you hold above this level, you would expect to get back up to $14.28. Even if it's just for a double top, you would expect that move. Looking good. Frax share. Did we get any form of... Yes, we got hidden... Wait, did we? Yeah, we got hidden bullish divergence. Absolutely phenomenal. So you have a low here. Lower low. You have this nice rounded moving up relative strength index. Got our hidden bullish divergence, meaning we could see a lot more upside out of this. That's good. A lot of people are trading this. So yeah, you put your stop loss right below this wick and down here at $10.51, and you should be able to ride this bad boy up for, gosh, 34% if this rally continues. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. All right, let's go ahead and look at Ocean, the one I just got out of the trade with. So Ocean Protocol, same idea. A lot of good movement. So I was trading for this 10% rise, but I just got out of it because FET looks like it's about to do something a lot better. However, major measured moves to get all the way up here. 47% upside. Actually, from where you're sitting right now, 46% more upside. We could see that in the coming days. Looks good. I don't know what all the other AI tokens are. I should make a list. Should definitely make a list. God, FET. We're actually gonna get it. Is that what's about to happen? So we do have this alert down here just because of the low right here, where we should find support before we get to the low, but we have to wait and see. Noted on the trade, stop loss below these wicks, 4386. Below the wicks, man. APT. APT's been chugging along lately. Just been chugging along. Aptos. So you can see we actually did hit a 50% retrace. This is great for Aptos, because Aptos is now set for higher prices. Absolutely wonderful. If you break out of this bull flag, you're gonna break your all-time high. Not financial advice. Just what I see in the charts. Probably not going to do it today. Maybe not tomorrow. But it could come soon. Could come soon. Underperformed on the downtrend. Found support. Oh, whoops. Looks like FET's coming in for that back test. Looks like it's coming in for the back test. I'm really focusing on FET because I just entered into a trade on it. So... do we have a new supply line here? No, we don't. No new supply line. But we did get the major hidden bullish divergence on the 50% retrace. That is insane. Huge, huge hidden bullish divergence. That is craziness. So you would expect this move. You definitely would. Now if you consolidated here, traded sideways a little bit leading into the weekend, and then took off, that would make total sense. Alright, FET coming in for that back test. On confirmed back tests, those are the greatest times to enter if you did not enter already. $10 minutes left on this candle. On this 15-minute candle. We're gonna get the back test or what, dude? And then, for those of you doing the day trade situation, you get that confirmed back test, you put this measured move wherever that back test might be, and then you would expect the rise throughout the day. Might load up a little more in the position. Alright, confirm back test time. Let's see it. Let's see it. As I'm staring at it, I don't really need this to be right there. I want to know when we hit this measured move. This should be good. Should be good. Good for the gains. And noted, by doing this, you can actually stack multiple trades. That's also why I will trade on low time frames. Because when I see these multiple bull flags in an uptrend or multiple bear flags in a downtrend, it's good chances to close out and open up new positions, but it's also a very easy way to get wrecked, so I don't highly recommend it. Do not highly recommend it. Now, if we do take out these levels here, you would expect a backtest not only lower trend line, but also this yellow trend line of support, and that's never a good time. Never a good time. But let's go ahead and look at a couple other tokens. Then we can move on with our day. Dusk has been having a great day. Don't need to look at that. I want to look at something that hasn't moved yet. So I'm thinking Zill. So let's go out to the daily first. Coming out to the daily. Get rid of all this, because we are technically out of our consolidation pattern, and I was trading a lot of this. A lot of this chop, I was in there. Anyways. Oof. It does look like we're rounding out. I don't like to see the rounded bottom like this on an uptrend. I don't like seeing the roundedness. However, we are above resistance at the moment. We are above. This is good. This is really good. So being above resistance, that's a big deal. We do have a new supply line. So this is what we want to maintain. New supply line. As long as we're above the supply line, we're in good shape. We'll just put it green. Anytime we're close to it, that's a good little area to possibly take a chance, in my opinion. First level you're looking to hitting the 3s, repeating of course. If we manage to break above that, that's when the real fireworks start. So you're first looking at an 11% rise, and then after that you are looking at a possible 46% upside. So let's go out to total, because total must be showing something great. Let's check total. Total does, oh my god, it is showing something great. Okay, this is making a lot more sense. A lot more sense to me. You can see we broke out. We never had a back test. We formally back tested $950 billion, and now we're off to the races. Next target, 1.13 trillion from total market cap. That's phenomenal. We also now have a nice little supply line to go off of. You know what? I'm going to raise this up because that's our supply line right there. We barely dip below it. So this is our new supply line. Not bad. Not bad. Money is flowing into the crypto space. This is great. This is absolutely phenomenal. Now, if we go look at total 3, that's where we can see what the altcoins are about to... Oh. Alright, altcoins. You could see a lot of move out of these altcoins. Alt season might actually be coming. Well, it's kind of been here, but I mean, like, alt season. Jeez. 13% upside, and that's based off a tiny little move. What we've been seeing out of these alts, that's crazy. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance hitting overhead resistance, but Bitcoin dominance is on the rise, so we could see Bitcoin rise up a bit more. I mean, if this flag plays out, we might see the altcoins take a little breather while Bitcoin gets moving. We might see it. And by altcoins take a breather, I basically mean altcoins like fall down. It just gets rough. Gets rough out here. But this is what we're looking at. So what we want to see is maybe we hit resistance, come back down. As Bitcoin dominance comes down while the whole market cap's going up, you can expect the altcoins to be rising like crazy. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance pretty high right now. Pretty high. 43%. Pretty solid. Pretty darn solid. Anyways, let's check out Mask. So I did post about this in Discord recently. We are currently on a breakout, which is great. It's awesome. Gains are getting made. We are currently just fighting against resistance. But minimal move, get this 33% to the upside. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? I want this one. So on that minimal move, 25% upside is still possible. On the major move, we should be getting up to $6. And that is another 57% upside potential. All right, so let's go back to FET so you can see this idea I had of the back test. So you can see we are very close to it. After this candle closes, maybe we get a nice little wick down to it and then we take off. But yeah, FET looking solid. Oh, another one that looked great earlier today was GRT. GRT. Jert. Yeah, where are you at? There you are. There you are. So GRT currently flagging out again. That's crazy. But you can see we broke out, coming down. Maybe we get a back test. Maybe not. We'll see. But small move is to finish this larger move, which coincides pretty well. We're just waiting. We're just lying in wait on GRT. All right, we've been staring at these charts for about 30 minutes. We said hi to Wesley. I'm going to keep this one pretty darn short because it makes it easier for other people to watch later. Anyways, I hope your guys' trades are going well. We did fly through a few of these tokens. If you guys have any requests, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will make a video for you. But other than that, hopefully your trade's going well. This is a nice green day. I do expect the green to continue throughout the day, but you never know with these markets. All we need is one bad piece of news, and all of a sudden, everyone gets scared and starts selling off their tokens. So be careful out there. Keep your stop losses tight. I'll catch you later.